Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on your Instagram post. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. When you have the Instagram feed on, you want to click on the lower center of the corner where you actually see the plus sign. You click on the plus sign, you select the image that you want to upload. This is going to be our image, right? And then you can move on. After you edit all the filters and all the bells and whistles, this is where you're going to find tagging a friends, the first option over here. Now, in our case, we can tag first the product or service. Of course, will be the Apple. Why? Because we have the iPhone. There you have it. Then, for example, we have somebody else. We can actually click again, and then we can search for celebrity. Let's tag Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, right? So you have Ronaldo over here, and then you have the Apple product and individual. On top of all this, you can actually remove whoever wants. If you want to remove somebody, there are two options to do it. First of all, you can actually click on the tag itself and then you click X. The other option is simply to click X beneath. Over here where you see the list, there is a list of tag people or accounts. You can simply click on the X underneath as well. The easiest way, in my opinion, is just to click on the tag itself and then press the X and it's no longer there. When you finish tagging, you can simply press done and proceed with your posting. This is how simple it is to tag people, products, services and other accounts on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.